class. Today we'll talk about how can you select default search tab on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, click here on jury settings here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, click here on default search tabs, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select if you want to add my receipts or my mails or my photos. Here can you select here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.